that it? Where are we? What the...
Activate mag boost.
Like standing on the side of a skyscraper. This is bad.
We'll be fine.
Chief's down there, huh?
Let's find out. Spartan Jameson locked broadcasting on all UNSC frequencies. Sierra 117, please respond.
Guardian's moving.
Get moving. Reach a low enough altitude where it's safe to jump.
Crawlers ahead!
Don't stop! Shoot and run!
Didn't come all this way to get killed now! Move faster!
Stay in the middle. Watch out for gaps.
Like it's trying to shake us off.
What's that sound? Did it work? Is this the right place?
Let's try this again. Spartan Jameson locked to Sierra 117. Please respond. Chief, Dr. Halsey sent us. We're here to help you.
How the hell are you here?
Long story, sir. Cortana's been activating Forerunner.
Where? We're at the gateway.
It's you. The same as Meridian. As St. Helios. My, you do get around.
Cortana?
So this is the right place.
Let's find him.
More humans. Hello, I am 031 Exuberant Witness, monitor of the Genesis installation. Welcome. Have you also come to stop Cortana from claiming the mantle?
The mantle?
A forced peace upon the galaxy. The threat of death overpowering any celebration of life. Unless you join with the other humans and stop her, it is your future. Accessing your communication systems. Oh, by the way, there are a number of hostile visitors just outside, so I brought you this. I assume it will be of use to you?
Scorpion. Yeah, I reckon we can make use of that.
I found it among the detritus of Guardian 3209's arrival.
Get this thing going.
Punch it! Keep an eye on that ghost!
The Guardian slip space bubbles are bringing a considerable amount of rubbish from their origin planets.
Somebody ought to tell these guys they already lost the war.
They wanna fight? Let's get... Look up!
Guardian!
Why has she called so many? A single Guardian can effectively police a solar system. This show of force is unsettling.
Sorry, police? Show of force?
Indeed. Guardians are how the Forerunners enforced peace in the lower systems. As you see, Genesis's defenses are targeting the invaders. Unfortunately, the defenses will consider you invaders as well.
It's your installation. Can't you tell them to let us through?
No. Between Warden and Cortana, most of my administration privileges have been revoked. But worry not. I still have control of some aspects of this facility.
Shouldn't be too hard to knock that wraith over. What's that ghost there? I'm returning fire!
Your vehicle is not coping well with the stress of combat.
Damage the knife!
going to notice this commotion. Be quick. You're performing admirably, I think. There's less of them now than there were, which I assume is your objective.
That's a hit! Looks like the road ends here.
Exuberant?
One moment. I will open this. Follow me. The gateway is almost ready. Hurry.
What is the gateway?
It is a bridge between the domain and Genesis. Within that building, Cortana will be reborn into the physical world. There, the gateway.
More Covenant!
And the Master Chief is there.
Cortana has had the other humans wandering in circles within the gateway facility for some hours. She is preparing for something, but just what is unknown.
Get me in close! What's that grenade?
Genesis is really a magnificent planet. It's usually less busy. Quite lonely, actually, but magnificent. Yes, I can see now why the Warden is troubled by your presence. You're quite destructive.
This'll hold him off! Get me in close! Got him! Hit him again!
I must admit, I do find this rather exhilarating, in spite of myself.
Night ahead. This'll hold him off!
You may want to hurry. Cortana is attempting to activate several high-level communication systems.
How much time do we have?
Very little. Not enough. Almost none, in fact.
Get me in close! Give me range. Got one! Better run, soldier! I'm coming for you!
Humanity has not changed much since last your kind walked the stars. You are as deadly as ever.
This'll hold him off!
This way, straight ahead.
Don't see any more targets from here.
Oh, there's supposed to be a bridge here.
Is there another way across?
One moment. There you are. Oh, I can work bridges too, it seems. Most exciting. Come along. Hurry, humans. The gateway is almost...
Why do you hate these humans?
I have bad news, humans. The Warden has found us.
We dealt with him before.
And you likely will again. He is rather tenacious. Warden, why do you help me on Scylla? It is not protocol. It is not right.
The facility's need for you is past, Malta. The reclamation.
Fantastic. I am so happy you survived. But still, the Warden is victorious.
How so?
This late in her plans, every second Cortana gains is a gift. Quickly now, the gateway is just behind that hill.
117, if you can hear me, we are approaching the gateway. Hold your position.
Cortana's still blocking the comms?
Indeed. But I can assure you that the humans are still in the gateway.
Got a crashed UNSC Pelican here.
Must have got caught up in the Guardian slipspace bubble.
Grab ammo if you need it, but keep moving.
I have misjudged you, lot. I have mistaken your behavior as tenacity with that suicidal foolishness.
Cortana is activating subsystems of Genesis. She is preparing for a military maneuver unseen since the Forerunner Empire. You really must hurry if you are to stop her.
Watch for snipers in the back!
You have fought a worthy battle, Spartans. But your fight is done. Come, let us battle our last.
Humans, watch out! You are surrounded!
What do we do before we head her around to point things out?
You've injured him for certain. Keep it up. You are doing a fantastic job. It's furious.
One down! Focus fire on the warden.
Will be defeated. Warden himself? Oh, ignore me. You're doing wonderfully.
Opening fire!
Diminutive creatures!
Perfect. The warden is quite humiliated, I assure you.
Yeah? A robot can feel humiliation?
Oh, Warden is not a robot. I thought you understood that. Follow me. There, the others.
Chief! Chief, please, wait. Cortana.
She's dangerous. I know.
You don't have to do this alone. We're here to help you.
You're too late to do anything.
Cortana. No!
Oh no. She should not have brought him so close to her. This will push the warden past all restraint.